Ready to have the best of both worlds on your computer? First, back up your important files. Seriously, protect your data. Then, you need to download the Windows 10 ISO from Microsoft's website and create a bootable USB drive. Next, grab the latest Ubuntu ISO and create another bootable USB drive. Now, reboot your computer and enter your BIOS or UEFI settings. The key to access this varies, so read your computer's manual in the boot order. Ensure your Windows bootable USB is at the top, followed by your Ubuntu USB. Boot from your Windows USB. Go through the installation process until you reach the "Where do you want to install Windows" section. Delete all existing partitions on your hard drive to free up space. Then, create a new partition for Windows, typically using a significant portion, like half of your hard drive space should be enough. Leave the rest of the unallocated space untouched for now. Once Windows is installed, boot from your Ubuntu USB drive. In the Ubuntu installation process, you'll reach a screen asking how to install Ubuntu. Choose the option Install Ubuntu alongside Windows. Ubuntu should automatically detect the existing Windows installation. In the other partitions, if you want to have more control, choose the manual partitioning option. Complete the Ubuntu installation, including creating a user account. After Ubuntu installs, restart the computer. You should now see the Grub bootloader. This is where you choose either Windows or Ubuntu. Congratulations on successfully dual booting Windows 10 and Ubuntu.